Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the EcoNour Windshield Sunshade front window covering. So this is what the back looks like. Try to zoom in so you can see it. And then I'll show you what the front looks like. There's a QR code for how-to video installation and how-to video folding. Hopefully you don't need that. Anyways, I bought this in size medium, 64 inch by 32 inch for my 2006 Honda Accord. So we're gonna see how well this fits. Amazon said it's supposed to fit, so we're gonna see if they're right. So let me open the package. So it's got these notches for easy opening. Oops, let me try the other side. I didn't want to tear the paper. Okay, anyways, I brought a pair of scissors. Okay. And again, this is what the, where is it? The sticker looks like. Otherwise, this bag is clear. So yeah, that's the paper. The back side. And then this is the front side. Oh, QR code. Comes with a nice cover. Ooh, look at that. EcoNour, the one you can always count on. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. So you want to put the black part on the inside so it doesn't absorb the heat from the sun's rays. It looks like it is a connected one piece. Let's see, did I get that right? Yes. So, go like this. Hopefully you can see that. Then you have to tie this around. Let me see. Can you see that? Tie this around your windshield. It's got a Velcro connection. And then you put the visors up, and there you have it. A nice shade for your windshield to keep your car cooler, and it can also act as blackout shades if you ever plan to sleep or nap in your car. So that's it for my video. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.